Karine, Rick, I can tell you that the winds have subsided tonight, but it still feels really cold outside. The temperature, there's been a noticeable drop in the temperature. And what's been happening generally is that the winds have been drying out the brush and the vegetation, which is improving our chances for fire. And we've already seen several small brush fires along our freeways and in some of our residential areas, too. Our first Santa Ana wind event of the season, bringing gusts of up to 60 miles per hour in LA and Ventura counties. These winds are also fueling the possibility for fire.
It's highly dangerous, for the communities that are living around surrounding areas in the greater LA area. Ventura, of course, a lot of mountainous regions, a lot of forests and brush, those kinds of things, and wind is a big factor in that.
Citizen video taken on the freeway shows the smoke from a quarter-acre brush fire that burned Sunday near the 170 freeway at Victory Boulevard in North Hollywood. And here in the West Hills Chatsworth area, helicopters were able to contain a 5-acre grass fire, which was fueled by 20-mile-per-hour winds. LA and Ventura counties are under a red flag warning through Monday night. LA City Fire says it's imposing parking restrictions in certain areas in case it needs to move in heavy equipment and personnel at a moment's notice.
As a fire is approaching, people have to be able to evacuate, and we have to have enough room for our resources to get to the seat of the fire.
Talk about being in the middle of a tornado.
This dust devil at Cal Poly Pomona almost looked like a tornado of sorts. Witnesses say it lasted about 2 minutes and knocked a security tent over. Dramatic video out of Fontana shows an overturned semi-truck on the I-210 West toppled by high winds. Apparently, the driver walked away unscathed. Heavy gusts damaged this Woodland Hills gas station. The impact also knocked down trees and power lines. And for residents of Santa Clarita like Anna Garcia, there's the fear of fire igniting and spreading to homes.
We do worry about it. At least I do worry about it because I live in between the canyons. And so if there were to be a fire, I would lose my house.
These Santa Ana winds are also creating poor air quality throughout the Inland Empire, Orange County, and the Coachella Valley. The Southwest AQMD issued a dust advisory warning people that the air quality can be very unhealthy. That's the very latest from Santa Clarita. I'm Rachel Menitoff. I'll send it back inside to both of you.